Live pictures of the White House in Capitol Hill where the debt ceiling negotiations continue. To be fair, it's the most absurd news story so far this year because without reporters to badger the president and Speaker of the House on a minute-by-minute basis, the story wouldn't exist. By that, I mean it's only a story because both sides know they can use it to posture and fundraise off of. If reporters weren't badgering them, they would actually just make a deal and move on. But we said fundraise off of. Fundraising plays a unique role in Washington. Right now, money, not principle, controls this town, and the debt ceiling's a perfect example. Last night, the White House reportedly proposed a compromise that would eliminate the carried interest deduction. Carried interest is an accounting trick and tax loophole used by the wealthiest of wealthy hedge fund managers. Essentially, it allows them to pay a maximum rate of 20% on their income taxes rather than the 37% they should be paying. 20% is what many middle-class Americans make. In fact, many middle-class Americans pay more than 20%. So think about that. Hedge fund managers already making millions get a break and pay a lower tax rate on their income than just about anybody else. It's laughable. Remember when I said donors and fundraising? Just look at some of the biggest political donors on both sides. Many of them run large hedge funds. We have no idea who on this list benefits from carried interest deductions, but it is safe to assume many do. So it should come as no surprise. The Republicans said closing the carried interest loophole is a non-starter. And to be fair, it's only about $14 billion of tax revenue over 10 years. Literally a drop in a swimming pool, not a drop in a bucket. $14 billion over 10 years is nothing. It's meaningless. So it really doesn't mean much in the overall scheme of things, but it's about the principle of things, the fairness of things. Republicans want to reduce spending in the name of fiscal responsibility, while at the same time protecting a major tax break for those who need it the least. Carried interest deduction is like Washington's cockroach. You can't kill it. Too many donors care about it. It's pathetic. But shows you everything you need to know about Washington. Just remember, both sides could care less about you, could care less about what a default would mean to you, or to the interest rates on your credit cards, or to the value of your home. All of these hang in the balance in the coming week. If you want to know what really matters in Washington, just think about the carried interest deduction. And that will show you exactly who both sides on both ends of Pennsylvania Avenue are out for. Thanks for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to subscribe. Click the red button to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.